Okay, I'm making this video to put to bed the debate on when the active aerodynamics engage in the Quadrifoglio by Alfa Romeo. Some say it is race mode only. Some people say that it is dynamic and race mode. So I'm going to find out for myself. First, I'm going to try dynamic mode only, and I will yell out the speeds that I get to. Here I go in dynamic mode. $60, $70, $80, $70, $60, $50. $60, $70, $60, $50. That was dynamic mode. So let me now test race mode. Switching to race mode now. Here I go. $60, $70, $80, $70, $60, $50. Turning around. $60, $70, $80. Slowing down to $70, $65. Still in race mode. I'm hovering at 60 miles per hour.